Yeah, hi. In today's video, we're going to be looking at an app called Tubebox, and we're going to be doing a full Tubebox review for you, and we're going to be finding out whether you can actually make money and grab prizes with Tubebox. And all you have to do is literally watch YouTube videos to actually earn coins, and then you can actually get prizes, etc. So we're going to dive straight into it, and we're going to go into a full review of Tubebox and find out whether it is worth your time. Okay, so as you can see here, we've come on to Tubebox on Google Play, and it's a 4.3 rating, and it's had 21,000 reviews, over 1 million downloads. Okay, it says obviously you get rich video content. There's a novel lottery method, gaming. Gamification tasks, and a variety of prizes that you can actually win. Let's just jump straight over to the app and show you exactly what it is. And also stay tuned, because we're going to show you exactly whether it is worth your time or not. Okay, so we click on the app, and the first thing we see, it says surprise box, and it says open here, and it says 16. So I've got to just click that, and you click that, and you obviously can claim some prizes. Okay, and this, as you can see, it works out. It's got 46 of 100 before I can claim a lipstick. And as you can see, it's just gone straight on to an ad. And this is how they make their money. Obviously, they are doing ads in between your clicks. Okay, so this can be obviously a bit annoying on certain sites, but obviously you just have to wait for it to finish and then carry on. Okay, so I've got another option now. I can open, and it does this every 2 or 3 times, so you should be able to get away with a couple more here. As you can see, that one's okay, and it's telling me to open another one. If we go down the bottom here and click on personal, as you can see here, it says I've opened blind boxes 25 times, and I can claim. So if we click on claim, and I get 500 coins just for doing that. So I click that, and it goes to my total. I've got a total of 28,000 coins here. And again, another ad's popped up. Okay, so we've come back in. It says obviously a daily check-in, but also what I want to point out to you, if you see up in the top here, it's constantly adding stuff, adding coins all the time. And that is a little bit concerning, because I'm not actually doing anything and the coins are still going up. And what a lot of people are saying is that once you reach these prizes and etc., that they don't actually pay out. So just be wary of that, because at the moment it looks like there is nowhere to actually pull out. We've got draw down here, and we've got personal, which is what we're on. You've got a gear up here, and all that says is the settings. It's a privacy policy, terms of use, and contact us. Nothing else is actually on there, so you can't actually withdraw anything at the moment by the looks of it. So just be wary of that. And again, if you wanted to go and watch videos, if you click on the go here, this literally just embeds YouTube onto your phone. Okay, so you can then just go and obviously watch YouTube videos, and it will add coins to your total. Now, yes, obviously it seems okay, but at the end of the day, does it pay out? I don't think it does. There are better apps out there where you can actually go and earn money. So make sure you check out the link I'll put above here. I've got a playlist all about apps that pay. So you're better off probably checking out some of those at the moment, rather than wasting your time with Tubebox. Okay. As you can see, like I say, it's still going up in the background. And if I do a daily check-in, again, I've won another 500 coins just for checking in on a daily basis. Now, you know, it seems to be the only thing I can wait and see is when you get to the limit on these surprise boxes, whether they actually pay out then. But as you can see, you've got quite a way to do, and all it does is keep adding new ones, so you don't actually finish. And there's another ad coming up as well. Okay, so as I was saying, these keep popping up, new ones, and you don't actually finish what you're actually on. 14 of 50, see, 30 of 100. So you've got to tap it 100 times before you can obviously get it. Now, and all it does, it doesn't actually complete. So I've been doing it for quite a while now, and it never actually completes. It just opens up new prizes that you can actually go and start collecting on. And again, it does say it's got an Amazon gift card, but again, there is no mention at all anywhere of just cash. So again, whether that is going to be a possibility, I doubt it. So I would definitely be wary of Tubebox, and like I say, there are other apps out there that are much better, that you can actually earn legit money and earn it very, very quickly, just for watching videos and also for playing games. So check those out at the video at the end of this video. Okay, trust you found that useful and interesting. If you did, smash up the like button. Don't forget to watch this video next, and if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and you'll get notified every time we make a new video. That's it for today. We'll see you on the next video.